After confirming alignment, install both hubs starting with the bottom. The hubs use a left-hand thread so they will tighten counterclockwise. After you've got them hand tight, use a bar in the included guide holes to finish tightening. Repeat the process with the upper hub, turning counterclockwise. After hand tightened, go ahead and use the bar again to finish tightening. Prior to installation, ensure that the unit is in the proper orientation, with the grease fitting pointing up and the dowel pins pointing down. Failure to follow this step could result in catastrophic failure of the gearbox. Now we can slide the unit into place, centering it with the hubs, and we'll go ahead and install the clamp on the bottom first. Slide the clamp in, work it around. Use the included bolt to get the clamp snug. We'll come back and tighten later. When installing the upper clamp, you want to work the clamp in, get it in place. While holding the clamp, use a small pry bar to lift the unit into place, allowing the clamp to grab onto the hub and the Sur-Drive unit. Then again, we'll get the bolt snug. To tighten each of the clamps, we're going to alternate from the bottom to the top instead of just tightening one at a time. This will help keep the unit square. Then we'll use a torque wrench to confirm 200 foot-pounds on each of the bolts. To disassemble the unit, we'll start by loosening the clamp bolts. Then remove the clamps. Then make sure that the unit has collapsed and then slide it out. With our rental program, we provide an extra set of hubs, so it's recommended that they get changed out when the unit gets changed out as well. This ensures that the O-rings can be replaced and the unit can stay clean. To remove the hubs, use the included wrench, then remove by hand. There are 5 grease points that have to be hit. One is for the gearbox. This one uses a specific Kluber lube. Then we ask that you hit 2 of the 3 grease ports on the upper housing. Then always ensure that you hit 2 grease ports on the lower housing as well. It's easy for this one to get missed and cause a premature failure of the lower packing.